Hello, it's Miss Heather here at Conservatory of the Ozarks with
Berniece.
We're here in Bernice's voice lesson, and I'm just going to play the melody line for Simple Gifts in the key of C, so Bernice can practice with all the right pitches and rhythms once she gets home. Starting on a low G. Do you want one with me singing the lyrics, or
Yeah.
Okay? So here's with the words. Maybe I'll do the lyrics with the chords instead of with the melody line.
Okay.
So I would give like maybe 2 measures or something. Something like that. 'Tis a gift to be simple, 'tis a gift to be free, 'tis a gift to come down where we ought to be. And when we find ourselves in the place just right, we'll be in the valley of love and delight. When true simplicity is gained, to bow and to bend, we shan't be ashamed. To turn will be our delight, till by turning we come round right. For what it's worth, I would never sing it in that key. Not the best key for me, but it sounds good for you. Okay, 2 thumbs up for Bernice and Simple Gifts.